Well, we've been out doing our great white bass fishing with Brian Mazzaros, having a wonderful time. We caught white bass like you couldn't believe. Now it's a little more difficult. We're stalking. It's bigger. No, that's a log I'm looking at.
Okay, here we go. Small jaws.
Oh, I see him out there. Yep. The size of it. Big old bass.
Come on, baby, eat it.
Got it. Yes.
All right. Now, who would have thought that smallmouth bass would be in this shallow? Look at the size of him. Look how dark he is from being in this vegetation.
What do you say we put him on the tape?
I think we should.
Let's take a look here.
Just to see how big he is. Oh boy, that's a 19
incher. 19 inches. Let's get him back in here. Again, there's that purple. Yeah, baby. This is my favorite kind of fishing. Sight fishing.
Stalking them, sight fishing. It is fantastic.
Ah. £3 plus.
Nice and green.
Yeah. Get him back in the water here. There you go. She's smart. There she did.
Got her.
Nice.
Oh!
Dudes, this is a 5-pound fish here, boys.
Oh, this is a dandy. Brian, you've got yourself a beauty. Can't jump. You can't go in. Can't go very deep. Bring her in.
Oh, don't go in the boat. Don't go in the boat.
Yeah, you got it shot.
That's a 5-pounder there.
Look at the size of this puppy. That's a magical fish. That is a beauty.
I'll put that on the tape here.
You bet. I want to get a picture of that fish. Oh, that's over 20 inches.
20 plus. Searchers. 0. About 21 inches.
Wow. We got to get a picture of it before it goes.